Screen time can be more than just passive entertainment. It's an opportunity for learning and connection. In this lesson, we'll explore how parents can actively engage with their children during screen use, making it interactive and educational experience. Instead of leaving your child alone with a device, try to be actively involved. Ask questions, discuss what's happening on the screen, and make screen time interactive.
What is this?
Car.
Good. What is this?
Ball.
Well done.
By engaging with your child during their screen time, you turn it into a shared learning experience. Co-watching content is one of the best ways to actively guide your child's screen time. By watching together, you can provide context, ask questions, and help your child make connections between what they are seeing and their everyday experiences. Choosing the right content is crucial. Opt for high-quality educational apps and games that encourage creativity, problem solving, and learning. Look for content that challenges your child's thinking and allows them to interact in meaningful ways. Encourage your child to be an active participant during screen time. Whether it's spelling out words, answering questions, or problem solving, make sure your child is actively engaged, not just passively watching. While screens can be a valuable tool for learning, it's important to balance them with real-world activities. After a screen session, encourage your child to apply what they have learned in the real world through play, conversation, or hands-on activities. By being actively involved in your child's screen time, you turn it into an enriching educational experience that goes beyond screen. Remember to co-watch content, ask questions, and choose quality apps that foster creativity and learning. Thank you for watching. Let's continue learning how to create a balanced digital environment for your child in the next lesson.